Gets the basket, foul number 23 to number 24. 3-point. Number 24, 3 for 2. Lopez pukul na naman, 3-point. 7, balik kay number 24, good for 2. Number 24 to number 24, 3-point. Number 24, hitting out pumasok. Number 24, 3-point. Number 24, good for 2.